Basically, Blanco, bitch. Put my all into this shit, nigga. 17, nigga. GGF shit, nigga. This shit gonna be your favorite too, nigga. Promise you. On everything's gonna be your favorite right here. I don't give a fuck about the like one off. I said, remember sitting down, listening to Meek and Snoop. The nigga was hard, I swear to God he was the truth. I gotta go harder, week by week, it's something new. 3 brothers, 1 daughter, mama had a couple troops. My city is like a zoo, the animals is let loose. The streets is how to seek a nigga, gotta go and find goose. 1, 2, 3 is stuck on me, I let the hammer shoot. But every day another murder, gotta cop a deuce to him. And all the hood wanna know is who. Bloom. Niggas don't fight no more. All they wanna do is shoot 'em. I got my bulletproof ready for a nigga to doom. If he ain't ready for the streets, the nigga substitute him. I gotta make it home to my mama. If anything happened to me, you know she be traumatized. That's why I'm strapped up like I'm Osama. Cause any nigga try me on sight is gonna be homicide. Yeah, I'm deadly with the poet. I say I fucked your bitch, a nigga, you ain't even know it. I'm cruising through the city in my whip and we be pouring. She all black or cream, but on the inside, she the dopest, huh? I like that little bitch the closest, She got me floating around the map cause she the coldest, The Lord knows it, Am I talking about my whip, but just as bitch hocus pocus, But you ain't never heard a rap like this. But you ain't never heard a seen a 40 clap like this. Pack like this, chunky like a black nightstick. Hit your ass before you can even smack your lips. Over here on the clear be the real deal. Niggas getting clapped over here for real kill. Ain't no coming back, you dead, man, you got peeled. My man said you show his face at the funeral roast still. Yeah, we down and dirty. Strap, we got them 30s. Banana peel, here to kill you, better call a birdie. Taxi or a cab, cause I'm shooting sturdy. Blasting for a bag, I swear that I'm murking. I'm a savage like a Chinese boy. Kill your family, I'm a grimy boy. With my Siamese boy, best believe it be my right hand boy. He gon' catch you like a tight end boy. Your life ain't here boy, but I'ma keep spitting till my heart pump gold. Out here night, slinging dog the life I chose. Niggas be faking about the block, y'all gon' get exposed. I'm working till the crack of dawn, going pole to pole. Hammer on the hip. I ain't never slipping. Catch me cooking, catch me whipping. Bricks in the kitchen, on to the next flip. It's time to sell a chicken. Don't shit move, don't shit leave without your gang's permission. Now we kicking doors, hammer under the arm. Laying shit down, can't go behind bars. So if a nigga even blink, his life is gonna be yours. Brain splatter in the sink, the rats gonna lick it off. Everybody had a plan out here. Everybody lost a friend, lost their mans out here. Everybody they ain't playing out here. Everybody got the max, they be spraying out here. The hood be so bad, look like Pakistan. I gotta shoot at 10 bands, he go a whack a man. I lost close friends, cause niggas hand in hand with niggas that I beef with. You cut off, you not my mans. You's an enemy, all these niggas envy me. You ain't no friend to me, that nigga, he no kin to me. Got all this energy from pain and it bending me. Putting prices on these niggas' heads, not their memories. Nigga. Y'all niggas fucking memories to me, bleed. Niggas memories, man. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all niggas, nigga. If y'all nigga ain't fam, nigga, cut off, bleed.